Okay, last lesson I told you how to find the volume of things. So, today's lesson is about the idea of capacity. In the real world, you don't go around, most of you, unless you're in certain jobs, telling me something in cubic centimeters or cubic meters. What is milk sold in it's sold in liters. It's not, a liter is actually 1,000 cubic centimeters, but if you saw someone at the shop saying, oh, could you pass me 1,000 cubic centimeters of milk, you would probably report them to someone, okay? But there is a direct connection between what you told me about liters and cubic centimeters, which I've taught you about before. You are more likely to encounter measures of capacity. What is capacity? It's a measure of the amount of fluid something can hold. That's why your milk is measured in liters, because it's a fluid inside a little box. So capacity is directly related to volume in this way. 1 cubic centimeter, if you didn't already know, in science, is 1 milliliter in a little measuring cylinder. If I put 1 milliliter of water into a cube, it would be 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter in size. 1,000 cubic centimeters is exactly 1 liter. And 1 cubic meter is 1,000 liters, or in other words, 1 kiloliter, because in previous exercises we established that kilo means 1,000. So this table, which I'll give you time to copy down, this allows you to freely convert between volume and capacity. So please get that, and then I'll do an example for you. The second half of this lesson, I'll officially start your measurement assignment. You've already done half of it, you just haven't gone through the task sheet. So this lesson was about the connection between volume measurements, which is cubic centimeters, cubic meters, etc., and measurements you're more familiar with, which is like liters. Okay? You don't go to the shop and go, can I have 2,000 cubic centimeters of Maximus? Or what's the one that the kids drink these days? Prime or something?
Yeah.
What is that?
No, don't even mention that.
Don't even mention.
It's disgusting. It's so bad.
Salty. If you're bougie, you get the Powerade, you get the Gatorade.
If you get prime, you're weird.
Yeah. But value, Maximus.
Yeah. That nasty version.
Yep. And also the Maximus bottle is shaped like a weight. So if you put water in it, the other thing is that one milliliter of water is exactly 1 gram. So if you put 1 liter of water in a Maximus thing, is exactly 1 kilogram, and it's shaped like a weight. There's a point to that. So for our buff buddies around here, 97 kilos, my friend. That's not a science teaching. Just to go over it quickly, all today's lesson was I taught you how to find the volume of stuff last lesson. Volume is measured in cubic centimeters, cubic meters, alright? But in your everyday life, you don't generally go around going, there's stuff in cubic centimeters. When you buy milk, is it in cubic centimeters or is it in liters? It's in liters. So there's a direct connection between volume and capacity. 1 milliliter is exactly 1 cubic centimeter. 1 liter is 1,000 cubic centimeters. 1 cubic meter is 1 kiloliter. Do some exercises. Then I'll officially start your assignment, which you've done most of already. Well, actually half. So get that table down for your cheat sheet. So we're heading towards assessment time. Your test is meant to be in week 6. So you get your practice test next Tuesday. What week 5 now? Now, let's do this example so I can stop that video. 9.6 litres to cubic centimetres. What do I know about litres in relation to cubic centimetres? How many cubic centimetres are there in 1 litre? 1,000. So what would I times this number by? Good. 9.6 times by 1,000 is going to be 9,600 cubic centimetres. This one here, 3240 litres to cubic metres. What do I know is the relationship between cubic metres and litres, kilolitres, etc. How many kilolitres would 3240 litres be? 3.24. So this is 3.24 kilolitres. And then what do I know about kilolitres? 1 kilolitre is 1 cubic metre. So they're matching. So this is just going to be 3.24 cubic metres. That's it. I'll give you time to copy that down. The video will stop so you can chat.